So this room, this is the first room that is, let's say it's done. The walls are done, the ceiling is done, the windows have been dressed. So this room is going to be separated by drywall, and that area is going to be the bathroom and a small closet. We're going to close up this window right here that leads to the laundry room, and this area is going to be the bedroom. So it's pretty big. How big the bedroom is going to be? 10 by 10?
Yeah, 10 and a half by 10.
Yeah, 10 by 10, and the bathroom area is going to be what, 4 by 10?
Yeah.
Right. So Rory's feeling brave and he's about to install the windows.
Brave?
Brave.
First one install window.
At the first you install the window by yourself.
Maybe more until they can hand for just hold it.
Hold the window?
Yeah.
You want me to hold the window?
Alright.
Yeah man, make my hold the window. So we're gonna tackle this right now, and yeah, let's see. This is the start of our
Finishes.
our DIY finish. Home improvement.
After we do some demo earlier today.
Oh, I don't even reach upstairs for sure that yet, but yeah.
Yeah, demo was fun. Still feeling muscle aches.
Are you gonna put in window?
Can't wait. Need for some finishing stuff.
Yeah, I know, but we're getting there. We're getting there. All right, so have fun. Give me the baby. Bye. So we're at the end of 11 weeks, and this wasn't there before. So because we blocked up this side of the house and the window is actually on this wall facing the road, we had to put in a new window here. So that's new. A new big window here, letting a lot of light into the room. Most of this area has been rendered. The downstairs area is complete, and even the ceilings are done. The next thing to do here is to really paint and put in the electrical in this area. down here, and I'll go inside of this room and show you what it looks like. But the windows are in. I think they put up this board because they're rendering at the top and they don't want any mist to drop on the window. The windows are in down here. And
Window are going tomorrow. Show these, right?
yeah, but I can't see behind this. Well, this window is going to go in soon. So I'm going to attempt to go upstairs. On this side, it's still separate, guys. Here we go. You can come in there. Alright guys, so this was our office. But now it's going to be a hallway office still. So we have a new entry into the bedroom. And we're going to close off that entry. And here is our very large window. Right? And this is where we're going to access the closet, so you can see it on the other side. People who said them would never do electrical work, look at them now.
It's not live.
What you say, it not live? I still electrical work. Today is electrical day and Rory is helping the electrician to pull through the wires. Them have a draw box out here so too. for these connections.
Ready when you're ready, sir.
And so one of the things that I hated about the electrical in this house is that the panel was right in the kitchen, very unsightly. This is where I have a floating shelf and then the big old panel box just right there. So, but this would have been too costly to replace, so we kept it and we kind of decorate it, paint it the same color as the wall, somehow camouflage it. I guess I can show an image of that when we put it back together. And yeah, we just make it stay, though it thoroughly annoys me.
Alright, go on again.
Let me show you.
Go on, man. Reach?
Jack of all trades. Rory is working on cleaning up some of the, well, the last of the rubble that's in the backyard. Landscaping, that's your resume. We're getting there slowly but surely, and you must sink these a little bit deeper. And this is more rubble that needs to be removed. Now these are some concrete slabs that were here from before in the backyard. We have quite a bit, and we're going to use them as pavers in this area. We have a lot of cleaning up to do first, and we intend to do quite a bit around here to make it as livable as possible, from a new hedge to privacy separators to pavers to landscaping. Quite a bit of work, and we're not even reached start yet. But this is coming up far away from the rubble, so we hope to reach even further soon. I'm taking a walk outside. This is after one day of finishing. Well, this is trouble on, as I said before, and the guys completed this in one day. They're coming back today to do the rest of it and also paint it in the color that that we're supposed to paint it in. All this work, it's a little rough around here, don't want to fall. All this work was done in one day. Alright guys, so it's gonna be a day. This is the closet and bathroom of the master, and we're about to start laying floor tiles today. And this is upstairs bedroom. We're about to start laying floor tiles in this bedroom today as well. So it's gonna be an interesting day. And this is 3 days worth of work. Alright guys, so this is where the tilers are. They have completed the closet and the bathroom. They still have this doorway to finish, but the closet and the bathroom are done. They still need to finish the shower floor. They still need to finish the shower floor, and then we will finish with the floor tiles in this space. We need to fill in this gap. And because we couldn't get any more of this tile, we ended up going with this design with the border right around. So it hasn't been grout as yet, or grouted. This is just a tile, and this is a design which I was forced to go into. Good morning, Royal. Good morning, Rory.
Good morning.
You're not saying good morning. You just want to touch. Alright, so they're supposed to be finishing up today, which is day 4, and let me show you what they're supposed to be taking on downstairs on the balcony. We're going to lay out the tiles in the design that we want downstairs. Come on, Royal. Alright, so this is the design that we're working with. It's a straight herringbone. And Mr. Jerry and Mr. Terrence are going to lay it out on the patio today.
Use it.
We've come to the end of another video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks for following our journey, and thank you so much for commenting all those lovely things below our posts. Stay safe until the next video. Bye.